Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add Twitter feed to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you'll get on this website called Elsite. Elsite is an amazing website, a lot of widgets, and one of the widgets they make is Twitter feed. So let's click sign up for free. You want to sign with a Gmail, Facebook, or normal mail. It's really up to you. And when you got it, click login. Right here in applications, you want to write in search Twitter. And then you're going to see Twitter feed. So let's create a widget. And you can choose between profile timeline, hashtag feed, testimonial, sidebar widget, and Twitter grid. But I'm going to choose the profile timeline here. You want to continue with the template. And now just add here your username that you have of your company, of yourself. You can change the style and everything, so we like dark. Now let's just click save. Right after you do, you need to choose a plan. If you're starting out with your website, go with the light version. But if you can have 5,000, 50 or 5 million views, go with the basic, pro or enterprise. Let's copy the code here. Let's scroll down below and just click add, empt widget. Right, enter the code and copy the code and paste it, update. And it's going to load for a while, then it's going to load, and this is pretty much it how you do it. Definitely check other applications from Elsite. And yeah, if you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.